Lumberjacks, isn't it time you threw the night away?
Hey guys, it's Flynn here with Lumberjacks. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about axe sheaths. Now, a lot of people really like to keep their axes nice and sharp. And we find that the most common injuries in axe throwing aren't from a thrown axe, but just from handling a sharp blade. So you really want to have a nice axe sheath ready to go on that blade for when you're not using it. So I've got a couple of examples laid out first right here. First off, I've got this one. This is just the sheath that came with the axe. So you can see it's got a nice snap. It's really snug on the blade, but it's not made of a particularly durable material. You can see I've already cut through here, so it's not going to last very long. And we find that most axes that you buy don't come with a very good sheath. So moving right along is my everyday use sheath. This one is all leather, very, very hardy, very sturdy. And I really like this one because it also has a belt loop. I do keep my axe on my belt a lot of the time while I'm working. And I'm really happy that it has such a good clasp around the blade because I don't want to accidentally poke myself with the axe while I'm just at work. So that's really nice. Moving over here, we have a custom axe sheath. So this was made by a friend of ours. The owner of the axe sheath, his throwing name is Plaid, so we have a nice plaid design put on the leather. And you're going to find that in your axe throwing community, there's going to be a fair number of people who might be interested in learning how to do leather work, might be interested in starting to come up with these custom designs. And I think that if you look around your community, you're going to find some people who are willing to help you out and make a really nice sheath for your axe, if that's what you'd like. And then right down here on the end, I've got a duct tape sheath. This I made in 5 minutes. Obviously, it's not going to be very sturdy. It's not going to last very long, but it's doing exactly what I need it to right now. And if the lucky thing is, if you have to replace it, you can just make a new one. Super cheap, super easy. So you've got a lot of options for axe sheaths, but I definitely recommend that you get a good, solid one that's going to last you a long time. Feel free to get as creative as you like, as well as creative with your own axe. Get out there and have some fun, guys.